Ayy, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ayy, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she don't want no nigga, baby, let's face it. I've been really feeling.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe you can give us something. Baby, I do it all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
If you're traveling on and want to check with outbound visas to the terminal.
Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free?
Bahama, guys.
Atlantis, y'all. Guys, they broke my wheel. God. I'm mad.
I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me.
Motel. It's too tight. Yeah, because the window's dirty.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You been staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Don't not a rock with the working. Cause and now I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn things. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them the real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Got it, I don't wanna leave. Yeah. what you plan for the next whole week. Been too long for so cheap and your flex so D, your sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You been staying low, but you know what the fight is.
You're welcome. I love the nails.
Thank you. So guys, we just checked in. I'm just waiting for our room to be ready, and yeah, we're just getting some food until the room is ready. So yeah.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in, bitch. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all this.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile.
I'm on vacation.
6, 5,
I'm so tipsy. Hello, my neighbors. Oh, they have a lazy pool. Wait, let me zoom in. They have a lazy pool. I have to do that. Oh my god. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my god. Damn. Oh my god. Ooh, we got a great view. This is a great view, man. Oh, they come out with our bags. Okay, so let's do a little tour of the bathroom. Okay, you know, that's the poopy part.
I wanna say something, but you are all that I see.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other boy, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I can't have you, no one should have mine. I like you honest, not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next, how I get here.
Hey guys, I'm here. The place is so beautiful and I'm so tipsy. The drinks from the pool bar was so strong. I also got a jerk chicken sandwich from the pool bar and it was so good. But no, I just want to sightsee, so I'm going over by the Royal Tower. I heard they got an aquarium and casino over there, so that's the vibe right now. So if y'all want to see, just stay tuned. And they have a shuttle that bring you from tower to tower for free, so I'm just waiting on it right now. And yeah, just stay tuned. No.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting beauty, you looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You been staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Don't not a rock with the working. Cause you know I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn things. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl. You got it. Ay. You got it, girl. You got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing. They ain't really love you. Running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them real stepping in. Don't let them try you. Test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Guys, I'm getting these and this. This is so cute. So I was thinking to get this or this, but this look more fancy. So I'm getting this one.
I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, stuff when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no static with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this tab enough. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscing, every I'm missing you, wishing it was giving what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the lion past, lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. If you
are so fucking scary. Oh my god, he's so ugly. Look at him teeth. Hey, 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 look at his tongue. Hey. Restroom. I can't wait to start taking pictures. I'm trying to get upstairs. You think we should go back in?
Yeah, I don't think we can.
Yeah. Let's go back in and just. Oh my god. Guys, this is so freaking beautiful. Huh? I think we're going to end up all the way back to the casino.
But that's how we know, right?
Oh, we're going to the casino?
No. Yeah, I can't. This is gonna annoy me.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
Hey guys, it's your girl Shaylicious and welcome back to another vlog. So in this vlog, I mean, you guys already know, I'm in Bahamas.
I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me.
Okay, so this is my first vacation for 2023. Yeah, 2023. So I'm pretty much excited, but today is day one. Yeah, this is day one, and I think I'm gonna start this vlog off yeah, I'm gonna start this vlog off in day one. Yeah, and everything that I did yesterday will be in the travel vlog. If you haven't already, go watch the travel vlog. Let's go. We're gonna count this as the official day being in Bahamas. Okay, so we are in this suite. Checked in yesterday, got some drink, got drunk, then went to explore the Royal Tower and came back, got some rest, you know, all of that. I just did my makeup, took a shower, get my curls popping because today I'm going to this pig beach, like this beach that has like pigs and stuff. So I'm pretty much excited for that. I'm scared of animals, y'all, like, but I want to get a picture for Instagram, so I'm gonna fake it just to get a picture for Instagram. So that's the plan. So we will see what happens. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Even though this is the, you know, the starting of the vlog, well, make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I don't know I'm gonna come with the video. Them like I'm gonna show on everything. Okay, so sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. I'm so excited. My robe is so big. Hello. It's a girl Delicious, and I'll see you in the next clip.
Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Really point to just to hurt you. All red lamps to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year.
Good morning.
How you guys doing? Everybody
Hi,
good?
how are you?
Good top shape, man. No moment, I got you, man.
Okay, thank you.
How you folks doing this morning?
Okay, how are you?
Tip top shape, man.
TikTok.
No complaints, man.
That's
I'm alive, I'm well.
That's true. Beautiful place.
Beautiful ladies. So what, like, you guys like seafood?
Yes.
Let me tell you something. It's a place called the Fish Fry. Once you go in, get some fresh, nice seafood. We have your place called the poop deck over here. So there are a few spots you can go to. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Save some money. Save some bucks. But the fish fry is nice.
Sounds good.
Yeah, you gotta try it at least once.
Yeah, that's what you get.
Get a rough week. But Mobe, I mean, to make it so beautiful.
Here is beautiful too.
But you guys get like a lot of greeneries, mountains, you know what I mean? It's a different beauty. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we have a lot of mountains.
Yeah, it's different. But it was, I mean, for me, it was nice.
Yeah.
I had a wonderful time. I've been there 4 times, you know what I mean? I had a wonderful time.
My mom used to live here though.
So, in Nassau?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
When I was younger.
Man, and those festivals. Woo. Boy, any day, give me a festival. Oh man, I love you. I won't go back there right now. They stay.
21.
Oh, 24. Okay. What you want to do is, man, you want to go to the.
You good? Yeah. One second. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait, this is... Oh, I can't drink any water. Pearl Island.
Pearl Island?
Good morning.
Okay, you take a right, straight up the step in the back.
Okay. But they say ships. Yeah, they come in from the distance.
Water is so pretty.
That just sit back, relax, take on the sights, and enjoy the ride. At 1:30, right in that big white, pink, and blue building. That's where you want to get lunch. Right there in that big white, blue building right there. Now guys, everything on the beach is free to use. The kayaks, paddleboards, everything is free to use. But it's a first come, first serve basis. So no fighting. Now, if you have kids under 8, you have to be accompanied by an adult. Usually on the beach, okay? Now, if you guys want something nice and cold to drink, we do have our drink whisperers right there. They'll hook you up, get your liquid courage going right there at the blue bar, guys. So guys, the island is very small. You can't get lost. Even if you try, we'll find you.
Got a starfish. I only see one pig. Oh, there's a baby one.
Dealing with unpredictable animals. What that means is at no time are you guys allowed to feed any of the pigs with your hands. Feeding the pigs here is a no-no with their hands. We don't do that. This is a skewer, okay? You'll be given a skewer with a cup full of treats. You'll be using this skewer. You're going to be given some treats of apples and hot dogs. Put your hands up in the air, don't move. What happens when you run? They chase you. They chase you. So these pigs will do the exact same thing, okay? Please don't run. If you happen to be afraid, say Richie, Pig King, Pig Cousin, I am afraid. I wish not to feed the pigs anymore. We will come and take this skewer from you along with the treats and make you swim to the next side.
What?
The rest of us are fine. Good. Now, if they come too close to you, hands up in the air, while telling the pig no, use your knees and push them away. Parents, I need you to stand in front of the kids. If you tend to be too afraid, stand in front of the kids, tell the pig no, hands up, push the pig away. Okay? Don't back up, don't run. Good, yeah, good, great.
Hands up, all the way up, and you say no. All right. You want to take some photo?
I would do that.
Like that, and you bring it close to your body. You want to be in the photo?
Still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other brother, you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature.
Only reason why you was running because you were on the phone. You don't want to drop you? Hold on for me. Hold on. This is so heavy.
No.
Get your camera on ready for this one. That's my girl. That's my girl. Let's go, go, go. Time for the race. Time for the race.
I want to get How to go to the her island. Where are you going? I don't know. So guys, this is what I got for lunch. Barbecue chicken, fish with some peas and rice, they said. And some veggie. And a Coca-Cola.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you're pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
I don't know how much I want it. So funny. Bro, this is Jamaican vibe in Bahamas on me, y'all. Live up my country. Yeah, Rasta. Rasta probably is Jamaican. I love this. I love this. I can even go in the water. But I'll go in the water when I get back to the hotel.
Tell me the name of the island we're leaving right now. Alrighty, before it became Pearl. Where all the millionaires, all the billionaires, all of them, that's where all of them want to live, right here on Paradise Island. I gotta show you guys this. You see that beige home with the patio roof?
Yeah.
That belongs to JC and Beyonce right there.
Where? Oh, wow, take a picture of that.
That for her birthday, less than a year ago. Just bought that home right there on the beach. Now there's a golf. Nassau is only the downtown area where the ship is at. We call that downtown Nassau. The whole island is called New Providence. That thing right here in Nassau. Now what's this? That belongs, that's Bill Gates' estate right there. Oh. Okay, you got the Bill Gates estate right there. This home right here, what are you looking at? This modern home. This here belongs to the one and only DJ Khaled.
Oh, this one? DJ Khaled.
You guys ain't ready for this good information. Now the home right on the side of it, that belongs to that Texas Ranger guy. Anybody know who I'm talking about? Yeah, you looking at Mr. Tiger Woods right there, guys. Well, I know we say Mr. Woods, but it belongs to Mrs. Woods now, you understand? Yeah, it belongs to his wife, his ex-wife. This one right here, this beautiful home right here, belongs to Mr. 23 himself, Chicago Bulls superstar, Michael Jordan. That one right there. That's about 2 weeks ago. He was here. He is from Providence. If you guys like Starbucks, that's your home right there because that belongs to the CEO of Starbucks. So that's your home right there.
Okay.
You could visit that one. That's your home. The one with the two chimneys and the Tahiti style home, they belong to this one single individual. Yeah, Mrs. Oprah Winfrey. Oh. Both of them. Which one? Those two right there.
With the little huts?
Yes, the little huts and the one on the right hand side of it.
The white one?
Yeah. We say a little side joke on the island. We say Stedman stays over here and Han Gale stays over there. So in layman terms, we say this is Stedman's doghouse right there.
Oh yeah.
Now guys, this one right here with the white patio furniture, that belongs to Shakira. Yeah, Shakira. That one right there. That's our home right there. That belongs to the king of rock and roll himself, Elvis Presley.
No way.
That's Elvis Presley home right there. It now belongs, yeah, this one right here. This now belongs to his daughter, she just died, just passed less than a week ago, Myers. That's the guy who makes the Myers rum. He always, it's all exclusive, but no kids. You see the bridge? There's a bridge that connects the two buildings together. That actually is a suite. It's a 10-room suite, which they call it the Michael Jackson suite. Okay. Now, guys, Michael Jackson suite of the minimum of about 3 nights. That's over 100 grand.
5,000 each night.
Exactly.
We're staying there right now.
You're staying there?
Yeah.
I want to get invited. I want to play that little mini piano.
That's what Kim Kardashian said.
And hey, I would like to sit down and have that little robot.
Yeah. Hey guys, so I just got back to the room from the Big Island and the tour, everything was so nice. Like, I'm so happy. I even see DJ Khaled and Oprah and some like famous people Jordan Michael B or whatever his name is. Like I got to see their like vacation homes and shit. Like that was dope. But I am checking out of this suite tomorrow because I only have 2 nights in this suite, and then I'm gonna check in at the Coral for the rest of my stay. I also got some souvenirs over there. I got this, and I got a free chain ring. Hey guys, good morning. So today is day 2 and we have to check out by 11 o'clock, and it's like 8 something or 9 something, but I just remembered that I didn't give you guys a tour, so I'm gonna go tour this tower so I can show you guys. So I just left the room and good morning.
Ay, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she